Hello everyone and welcome to a new lesson with Miss Rafa. Today we're going to start with Unit 7, Space, Scientific section only. So get ready and let's get started with the reading skill. Critical issues. Space. Let's start with a preview. In pairs, discuss the following questions. What is the kind of life people are most likely to discover in space? What attracts some people to be astronauts? Does the influence of gravity extend out forever? Why? Galaxies look stationary, so why do scientists say that they rotate? Stationary in British, stationary in American. Now let's start with the reading. Let's start with some vocabulary. Heavenly bodies, heavenly bodies, heavenly bodies. Outer space, outer space, outer space. Reveal, reveal, reveal. Fundamental, fundamental, fundamental. Astronomer, astronomer, astronomer. Anthropogenic, anthropogenic, anthropogenic. Global warming, global warming, global warming. Mass extinction, mass extinction, mass extinction. Waste disposal, waste disposal, waste disposal. Earthbound, earthbound, earthbound. Objective, objective, objective. Barrier, barrier, barrier. Numerous hazards, numerous hazards, numerous hazards. Vacuum of space, vacuum of space, vacuum of space. Outgrow, 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 colonization, 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 solar system, solar system, solar system, cures, 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 scope, 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 venture, 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 embrace, 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 universe, 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 infinity, 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 erode, 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 atmosphere, 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 footprint, 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 medium, medium, medium. Now let's start with the lesson. Space invasion. Space traveling has been the attractive dream for humans since ancient times. While the early astronomers began to reveal the secrets of the heavenly bodies, it wasn't until the 20th century that humans could actually travel to outer space. Through space exploration, we address fundamental questions about our place in the universe, expand technology, create new industries, make progress with earthbound issues like global warming, mass extinction, waste disposal, and help to have a peaceful connection with other nations. However, the crucial objective of the human race is to survive the numerous hazards, both natural and anthropogenic, which may be expected to occur on Earth during the 21st century. Is there life somewhere else in the universe? If so, would those beings look like us? There are numerous technological barriers we must cross before we could travel for long distances in the vacuum of space. But we're getting one step closer every day. Scientists hope that there will come a point in time when people outgrow our planet and begin to look for colonization opportunities in our solar system and beyond to help support the future of our race. As our scientific and technological discoveries begin to open up opportunities to visit distant stars, we can start to discover even more mysteries that will help us to answer the meaningful questions in life. Discovering new organic elements in space could help us to discover cures for some of our worst diseases. We really don't know what's possible in our universe beyond the scope of basic physics. There could be untold treasures just waiting beyond our solar system to discover. Although there is always an element of risk to an exploration venture, there are great rewards, often waiting for those who embrace their courage to start pressing forward. At the rate of development that we have seen in the 21st century, we could be looking at a very different human race in our children's lifetimes, based on the possibilities of discovery. The information about the universe stretches to infinity. In space, no one can hear you scream. It's due to the fact that space is completely silent, as it has no atmosphere to provide a medium for sound waves to travel. No one knows how many stars there are, so space is endless. Human beings reached the moon, and their footprints there will last for 100 million years. This is because the moon has no atmosphere, which means there is no water or wind to erode its surface. Now let's answer question 1. Match these definitions with the highlighted words in the text. Objective, anthropogenic, venture, reveal, infinity, barrier. Connected to the study of the human race. Anthropogenic, the state of having no end or limit. Infinity, a business project or activity, especially that involves taking risks. Venture, To make something clear to somebody. Reveal. Something you are trying to achieve. Objective. An object like a wall that prevents people from moving forward. Barrier, or in American we say barrier. Question B. Answer the following questions. How can space exploration be reflected on our life? Through space exploration, we address fundamental questions about our place in the universe, expand technology, create new industries, make progress with earth-bound issues like global warming, mass extinction, waste disposal, and help to have a peaceful connection with other nations. What hinders people to go for long distances in space? There are numerous technological barriers we must cross before we could travel for long distances in the vacuum of space. What is the human aim about space? Scientists hope that there will come a point in time when people outgrow our planet and begin to look for colonization opportunities in our solar system and beyond to help support the future of our race. Why are sounds not heard in space? Because space is completely silent, as it has no atmosphere to provide a medium for sound waves to travel. What is the real trace of humans on the moon? Human beings reached the moon, and their footprints there will last for 100 million years. This is because the moon has no atmosphere, which means there is no water or wind to erode its surface. Question C. Choose the correct option A, B, or C to complete the following sentences. Going into space is considered as a or an old dream for people to achieve. People have always thought of going into space, despite the hurdles. To help support the future of our race, we should think of leaving Earth and invading space. Despite the element of risk to any exploration venture, Making steps forward is positive. The universe is limitless. That's everything for today. Thanks for your time. See you next lesson, inshallah.